Hi, I'm Pedro Pacheco. I'm from Brazil and I am a lighting designer. I would recommend the lighting design course. I would absolutely recommend it. It changed my life. First, I was looking for a master's to do on lighting design that was talking about a scholarship. I went through all this process and I was so happy that there was a chance to study for free knowledge that you would probably take years to get there, and here you can do in 1 or 2 years. You should be at least a little bit creative. You should have this feeling of wanting to test stuff, to try different ideas. You don't need to be a lighting designer. You have to just have a basic knowledge of lighting and you can go for it for sure. English is not your first language and you're changing countries and everything is such heavy on you. There are so many other international students in the MFA. I don't feel lost, I don't feel alone, I don't feel like I am the international, then there are the Irish students. So I think it's very diverse and I really like that. My design process started back in Brazil and it was kind of a messy type of style. So I think what Sinead gave me was tools to make it more professional. I know a lot of the technical parts of it, but with here I got the more of a professional look and someone that was by my side helping me. Like, she always knows the right question for us, so it makes you think and makes you realize what you did wrong or what you could make it better. You're working with other students that will become the new professionals. This experience comes from the first project that you do here. You're creating a network, you're developing how to work with professionals of the area. That gives you a better perspective of what is your role, what should I do to make this work, and what are my obligations. And it prepares you to work on big shows, just work on a really professional standard. That you will work with other designers, you will work with directors and lighting techs, set techs and everyone around. So it's good that the Lear brings this from the beginning. It's a whole web of people that are there to help you and to build you as a professional. So you can always ask help to people and people will be there to help you. So I think that's one of the strongest points here in the Lear. You're here to have your creatives being nurtured. Since I graduated last year, I worked on fringe shows, I worked on seen and heard shows, also as a technician around some theaters in Ireland like the Bordgash, the Abbey Theatre, the Gate. I am working on the Dublin in Human Rights Festival at the moment. I'm also working on another show that is coming on November, and I came back here and I worked with 2 shows and the new designers and directors that are coming. I only have to thank the Lear and especially the people that I met here that helped me to get all this work.